In India, Cyclone Vayu has changed course and is veering away from the country's western coast. It had been expected to make landfall in Gujarat, but is now moving towards the sea.
The state will still face strong winds and heavy rain, though as a cyclone brushes past, coastal areas are expected to be hit by winds of up to 160 kilometers per hour.
Ports and coastal airports remain shut. Authorities have predicted waves of over 5 meters, and fishermen have been warned not to venture out to sea.
On Wednesday, forecasters predicted that Vayu would hit Gujarat with full force. Over 200,000 people were evacuated, with transport services suspended and schools shut as a precaution.
Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who comes from Gujarat, tweeted his concern for those in Cyclone Vayu's path. He promised that real-time information would be provided. Cyclone Vayu is the second major storm to hit India this year.